Video, I'm going to explain how to generate leads just through Instagram comments. So that means whenever someone comments on your Instagram post, we can actually send automated DMs on Instagram and actually generate leads from there as well. So this is actually approved and allowed by Meta and Instagram over here. So let's see how to build this one over here. So here I'm in the flows over here. Before that, this is how the script look like. So in this demo or video, I'm going to explain how to provide a free fitness guide through to the customers in exchange for their email. So here we are going to ask for their email, and after that we are going to provide the free fitness guide to their email as well. So let me explain how to build this one over here. So here, first of all, we have to build the flow over here, the chatbot script or chatbot flow, how the conversation should go. So let's get started. So here in the flows, let me create a new flow. So let me simply copy paste over here and let me create a new flow as Instagram DM lead generation over here. And here, this is the first message looks like. Hey there, your dedication to fitness caught our eye. How about turbocharging your workouts with our exclusive free fitness guide? Ready to take your fitness journey to the next level? And we simply have this button, yes, I'm ready, those kind of things. So let me show how to build this one. So here we are in the starting step, and it actually start with a message over here. So another important thing is that even though we are going to show this demo or how this actually works on Instagram, but since this is the omni-channel platform, you can try the same thing on the Facebook as well. So here this can actually works on, so if it is omni-channel, that means it can works on all these channels. But in terms of comments automation, it can only works, or the comments feature is only available on the Instagram and the Facebook channels. So you can actually use the same automation for the Facebook as well. So just for the note. So let's get started over here. So here let me simply copy this particular message over here, and here this is a text message. So simply add text content over here and simply paste that over here. So here if you want to add the customer's name, you can simply add the full name over here, which will automatically grab the full name from their Instagram or Facebook profiles over there. So this is how I add it over here. And once they clicked on this yes, I'm ready, so let me add that button as well. Let me add the button yes, I'm ready over here. And here we can another button over here, not now. So we actually provide them two options. If they choose yes, I'm ready, we will go to the next step. If they say not now, we will simply send this kind of message for them. And let me add a text message over here, not now. All right. So here, if you want to add a button, a free fitness exercise guide or something like, we can actually take them back as well. Free fitness guide, let me name it as. So there is a 20 character limitations coming from Instagram and Facebook. So each of these buttons should be less than or equal to 20 characters. So if they say free fitness guide again, we can simply go to the next step as well. So here, when they confirm yes, I'm ready, it simply asks for the email address. So here, if they say yes, I'm ready, we want to ask for their email address. So that means we want to collect some data from the customers. For that, we have to use this get user data over here. And let me ask for the email address. So here, if you edit, by default this reply will be email and will be automatically saved in the email custom field. So we don't need to make any changes over here. But if you're actually collecting different kind of variables such as text, phone number, or even other questions, let's say if you're asking about their fitness goal, you can actually save those responses in a text field and create a new one and save it as well. But for this one, we actually saving the email, so we don't need to make any changes over here. And if you remove this skip button, then the customer actually have to enter their email to go to the next step. So I just removed it. Simply click save, done. And the next step is that we want to send this kind of confirmation message to the customer. Before that, we want to actually if you are actually planning to send emails using the flow builder over here, send email over here, you can actually use send emails within the flow builder as well. For that, you have to set the email opt-in as well. So here we have to add a simple action over here. So once they have entered the email, we want to add an action related to email over here, which is set email opt-in. So that means if you set this opt-in as turned on over here, or if you set this action set email opt-in, then only you will be able to send emails within the flow builder. So that's why I'm adding this action right after they enter the email, and after that we can actually send this kind of confirmation message to the customers. So let me send this one as well. And here if you want to call the user's email, whatever the email they actually provided over there, you can simply type curly brackets and type email. You should see it, and done. So now the next step is to send the email to the customer. So let me show how to do that over here. So here you can simply use the send email option over here. So you have to, if you want to use this send email option, you have to actually connect an email channel over here. So let me show. So you can actually connect whatever the email channel you want. So you can even connect your personal Gmail accounts if you want. Otherwise you can connect your business email accounts, which actually ends like hello@domain.com, something like that. So here in the channels, it's possible for you to connect your whatever the email provider, Gmail, Outlook, Soho, any other email provider. And if you click on learn more, it will actually take you to the knowledge base where it actually explain how to connect your email channels over here. So likewise, actually we have knowledge base on all these other automations as well. It actually explain how to set these automations by yourself as well. So let's go to the email step over here and click continue over here. So here we'll be using this particular email, shatikmedia@gmail.com, and we will be sending to the customer's email over here, whatever the email they enter in this particular question. And for the subject, we already have a subject over here, so we can actually use this subject over here. For the pre-header, you can use the same thing, or if you want, you can actually add whatever the pre-header you want to have over there. And here you can actually enter your text over here. So let me enter this kind of text, and here you can actually use the full name, so that the customer's full name will be sent in the email. And in the add button, you can simply add this kind of button title over here, free guide, or let me simply use a fitness guide. Let me see if I can add the, no, we cannot add, so let me simply keep this as it is. And this is the link to the fitness guide. So this is just a demo. So if I open this particular link, it will it's a PDF file hosted on a website, and it's just some kind of fitness guide over here. So let me use the same link over here. All right, and you can even track whether they actually clicked this particular fitness guide or open as well. So here let me add an action over here. Let me add like opened the fitness guide. Open the fitness guide. All right, so actually I'm adding a tag to the customer when they actually click on this fitness guide, and based on that you can even send customized follow-up messages to the customers as well. Done. And we can actually add the remaining parts over here as well. Let me open the email step over here, add content, text, move that a little bit above, and add this one as well. All right, so we have added the email sending part as well. So here if they say not now, we are sending this kind of message, and we can also simply link this button over here. So even if they say not now, and then if they are interested and click on this button, they will be still sent to this particular flow over here, where we will actually ask the email and send them the fitness guide as well. So let me simply click publish over here. So this is a very simple flow I created in just a few minutes over here. So now the idea is to how to connect this particular chatbot flow to a comment automation trigger. So let me show how to do that over here. So let me go to the home over here, flows over here. So here you have to go to the tools, and we are here, we want to automate the comments. So here you have to choose Instagram comment automations, and let me choose create a new comment automation. So let me name this one as Instagram DM lead generation fitness guide. All right, so here we are going to, you can actually have a specific post as well. So let's say you post a specific post and ask customers to DM or ask customers to comment a specific keyword within that particular post, and you can actually send automated chatbot messages to collect the leads. Otherwise, if you select this option, all post, then whatever the post from the old post or the new post you are posting, this particular automation will work. And here private reply to the comment. So this is the private reply, means simply what sort of DM, direct message, you want to send to the customer. So this is the kind of direct message you want to send to the customer. So the flow name is Instagram lead generation. So let me simply choose the flow over here and choose Instagram lead generation over here, and public reply to the comment. So what sort of reply you want to add to the customer as a comment reply. So here you can actually have different kind of variations as well. So let me say send you a DM, or let me add please check your DM. So likewise you can actually have a different kind of public comments replies over here. And even you can actually add a flow as a public comment reply and connect with a ChatGPT API to respond to the customer's comments using the AI as well. So that's also possible. So for now we simply use this kind of static comment replies over here, and you can actually track reply to all comments equal. So let's say if you ask customers to comment a specific keyword, we can do that as well. So let me choose whatever the specific keyword you want to have over here. So let me choose like comments equal fitness. So only if they comment as fitness, then only we will trigger this particular kind of automation and send them this message through the Instagram DMs. So for the other comments, it doesn't trigger any kind of automations. So you can do that as well. So here I choose the keyword as fitness, and more options, you can actually select these options as well. If you want to hide comments, or if you want to replies to comments, those kind of things are possible as well. For now you can simply keep this as it is over here. And there is also another option for you. You can actually reply immediately, or you can simply wait few minutes, seconds before you send this kind of automated private messages in their DMs. So if you want to look it more natural, you can simply wait a few minutes or hours. Everything is possible. And you can even select randomly within 20 minutes. For example, they will some customers will receive like the messages in 2 minutes, some might receive in 10 minutes, some might receive in 20 minutes. For now, let me choose immediately over here, because I want to show the demo how this actually works as well. And that's it. We can simply save this one as well. So let me save this one and make sure you activate this one as well. So now it is activated. So now we are going to test how this actually works as well. So this is how it actually works on Instagram. So if I go to this particular post over here, and I commented as a fitness, and it actually responded to as a send you a DM. And we also received so here the account I'm using is test Chatic Media, and Chatic Media actually responding to me. So if I go to the DM sent by Chatic Media, it says, hey test Chatic Media, your dedication taught us to code your eye. How about turbocharging your workouts with exclusive free fitness exercise guide, ready to take your fitness journey to the next level? So if I choose yes, I am ready, it simply asks us the email address over here. Could you to send you the guide, could you share your email address with us? So let's use this particular email address over here, and after that it should say the confirmation message saying the email has been sent or something like that. Let's see what happens. And it says, thanks, we have sent the free fitness guide to the this particular email address. Check out your email and enjoy the new workout routine. So here let me show the email I just received from Chatic Media over here. So here, as you see here, hi test Chatic Media, we hope find you well, fitness guide, we appreciate those kind of things. So exactly how we set up over here. So this is how we actually set up in the flow builder, and this is how we actually received over here. So if I tap on this button, we can actually track this particular Instagram profile has opened this particular email through this particular email. So let me go back to the chats over here. So you can easily track the chats over here, and whatever the chats initiated by this particular test account over here, and the email will be listed here as well. And if you go to the tags, we can see open the fitness guide. That means this particular account has actually opened that particular fitness guide. So, and using this, actually you can even send customized follow-up messages within the Instagram as well. For example, let me show. You can simply wait at the wait delay over here. Let's say after 1 hour, and here you can add a condition over here, and the condition you have to use that particular tag is open the fitness guide. So after 1 hour, you can simply send whatever the messages you want. So let's say if someone opened, you can ask what do you think about that particular guide. If they do not open that particular fitness guide, you can simply say, hey, did you get a chance to look at that particular fitness guide? You can simply add a button here, and within this button you can add the link to the guide as well. So this will be sent within the Instagram Messenger as well. So just pushing them to check this particular fitness guide, so that actually they can get some value from your content and hopefully become your client as well. So that is how you can actually generate leads using Instagram comments through the DMs. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.